Staying organized on the job search. In this video, we will help you stay organized during your job search with tips on managing two major aspects of the search: time and information. Getting a job takes time. You have to search for jobs, read job ads, build and maintain your network, prepare application materials, prepare for interviews, and more. And all of that has to be balanced with other obligations which may feel more immediate and important. One helpful strategy is to block off segments of time each week dedicated specifically for your search. Try committing to at least 2 hours per week, which can be split out over multiple days. Allow yourself flexibility to move that time around to meet urgent deadlines and accommodate other responsibilities. Try adding variety into your routine by tackling separate aspects of the search on different days. For example, you may devote an hour on Sunday mornings to looking at ads and researching organizations, while Wednesday evenings are for network maintenance and working on application materials. Make sure to assess your schedule every few weeks to see if you are spending the right amount of time on your job search and using that time effectively. As you start your weekly routine, looking for and applying to jobs, information will start to pile up. Things like copies of job ads, versions of application materials, contact information for people in your network, research on organizations, schedules of upcoming events, and notes for interview preparation and reflections. All of that needs to be tracked and made accessible in a way that makes sense to you, which could take the form of something as simple as a spreadsheet and folders, or as sophisticated as project management software. Go with an approach you are comfortable with and use it reliably. Whatever system you choose, follow consistent file naming conventions. Save PDF copies of job postings. Don't just rely on URLs or the internet to save those ads. And back up your files regularly. Your process need not be all work and no play. Part of staying organized is staying as calm and focused as you can. So reserve regular time for rest and recreation, and reward yourself at set intervals because each step, no matter how small, moves you forward on the path to a meaningful and exciting career. Thanks for watching, and be sure to visit the Graduate College website for more information about evaluating and using job ads and other job search topics.